Okay guys, so in this one we are actually going to add some text here to this landing page, and the easiest way to do that is just to start doing it. We're going to jump into the home.html page, and first off we're going to kind of go above here and put an HR class of soften. What this does is add a little line. As you see, there's that line there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do H1, an easy way to launch your project. And then we're going to do paragraph class of marketing byline. And this is some marketing text. And then we're going to do a div class row and div class span 3, and we're going to have 3 of these. So I'm going to do an H2 some info, put that in these, some more info, and even more info. All right, riveting. Not span 3, span 4. Span 3 would mean that we want 3 of them, but we only want, or mean that we want 4 of them, but we only want 3 of them. And let's actually change these H1 tags to H2 tags so they're just a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay, so now let's actually pull in some images. I'm going to go to Google real quick, and I'm going to search for, I'm just going to search for beach. Okay. And we're going to just do size, we'll just do medium. So in this case, I'm going to do this one right here, original image. Okay. So we're going to save this image into our project, go to our desktop, into static, and image, and we'll just call it image1. Save it like that. Notice it's a JPEG, okay? So now we're going to put that image1 above here. So image source goes to, we can do static URL. Oops, I need it all capitalized. So static URL, and then we will do image/image1.jpg. Close that out. Make sure you have the parentheses. Save it. Do a quick little refresh, and there it is. Okay, so this is saying the exact same thing as this because we made our static URL static, if you remember correctly, in our settings file. Just show you really quick, and that is right here. So static URL is this. That's calling that. All right. So we save it again, do a quick little refresh again. Cool, it's working. So let's actually use the static URL version for all 3. Of course, you guys can put whatever pictures you want here. And now it's actually responsive, so when it goes down, it will shrink those images as well. All right, cool. So that is adding a new section onto your page. Pretty simple to do. And of course, you can add quite a few more, and your paragraph text could also be a lot longer right there, right? And you can also have paragraph text under here. Right, so there's that, and again, that can be very long as well. And if you want a new paragraph, you just put another paragraph tag, and it will actually separate it like a paragraph. Cool. So yeah, if you guys have any questions so far, of course, let me know. But we're getting really, really close to actually launching your project. In the next one, we are going to implement PayPal. All right, see you then.